Hi friends, today I'm showing you the Bolvio handheld codeless vacuum cleaner. This is the Bolvio DC 12 volt portable car vacuum cleaner for car and home. This have a strong suction, high power, hand vacuum, lightweight for wet and dry use. So let me open the box and show you the vacuum cleaner. So you see, this comes with the vacuum cleaner, one extra filter and some attachment. So this have a strong cyclonic suction. This is a DC 12 volt or 120 watt strong power. This is a 4-in-1 versatility. That means the vacuum cleaner comes with 4 serviceable attachments for added versatility. And you can see that this charging port or the attachments that comes with this, and you can add in these different attachments. This also have a extension pipe that you can use and have the charging and other attachments. Like for the brush, then this part is actually 2 parts combined so that you can attach the extension cable. I will show you later on. So this is the flexible extension cable or the pipe, sorry. So you can attach this. As I mentioned, I will show you in a later part. And this also have a washable and reusable filter that you can wash and reuse. This can be used for wet and dry multiple use. So as you can see here, this is on and off button. You can charge this, and you can just press this and take it out. This is the filter, and additional filter is also provided, so you can just clean and wash this filter and put it back, and then you can use different filters. Putting or cleaning this filter is easy, that you can just simply take it out, wash it and put it back. Just keep in mind that you have to put that in a right socket. As you can see that I'm having a little issue, but it's not because it's not fitting, it's like I'm not putting it in a right socket. So you have to see the corners cuts and then put it accordingly. So once it fit, then you have to adjust the side, the back one row, and then add it in the hook and then push it so that it will go inside properly. So you can clean all the dust from this box like this, and then you can start the vacuum cleaner by this button. So this vacuum cleaner I think is good for the car, and the seat cleaning, for the clothes cleaning purpose. This is the charging one, so you can actually put the supplied charger and charge this vacuum cleaner. So this is the USB port, then you can charge this through USB, or you can put this USB in any adapter and charge it. This also, so you can see here, like this is another thing that comes, so you can put this in electric adapter part and you can charge this one. So as you can see, like you can put in the different attachment and start vacuuming. This have a strong suction, and as I said, this is good for the car vacuum cleaning. This is for the brush that you can use like for the seats and cushions or anything. This is the manual that comes with this vacuum, and it describes all the different parts and how to use the different extension. So this you can see the different parts of this vacuum, and it also shows like the upgraded version, that what's the difference. So And you can see it here is like there's a two-part extension, and then you can put on the one side of the tube like this flexible tube, and the other side of this, and attach it through the different attachments and to the vacuum itself, so that you can go to that area which is not easily reachable. So overall this is a good car vacuum cleaner, and the attachments of course serve different purposes. So overall I think it's good, and working, and rechargeable battery helps for the portability. So overall it's a good vacuum cleaner.